Question. Why are there no more dumpsters? We tried calling today and they said they're more here tomorrow, but it's all day.
Oh, really?
I'm gonna bring you guys up tomorrow, but there's dumpsters, so.
Right. No, I'll call them.
Yeah,
One of these homes, I'll call them.
Oh
back.
boy.
So, 'cause yeah,
See that fireplace down there? A guy and a dog survived that fireplace.
Inside that fireplace.
Inside that fireplace.
You're kidding
Guy
me.
and a dog. He tucked himself in, held onto this dog, and that fireplace stayed right there.
Are you kidding me?
They won't let him touch anybody touch that thing.
Wow. Isn't that an act of God, huh?
Yeah. His wife, this guy's wife was in the bathroom. She jumped in the bathroom and she got killed. She was laying over there on this.
Oh, you're kidding me.
I will give him a call.
I'm going to put this on. I'm going to take that, put that on what he said.
All right. Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
Take care, guys.
You're welcome.
That's his video.
Sorry, go ahead. You're not in it. All right. Get your voice on there. Go ahead.
There was a guy that was out in this tub right here. That's where he was when the tornado was over. And this is what it was. They put that door back in. It had that door ripped out.
Oh, man.
Can't even.
Did he live through it?
Yeah. But look at this wall. That was just some stuff hitting that wall.
Oh.
And all it was is a fiberglass shower wall between him and.
Oh, my
Look at that.
gosh.
Look at that stick.
Oh, just a fiberglass wall.
Look at that stuff just stuck. There was the other day there was a 2x4 stuck through.
Right through there. Oh, my goodness.
The best time to go out tape today.
I don't know either. I know this. I'm worried about it. Big Rob is on that.